Hi there, Sandra here from Createinspain. I'm sure those of you watching this will, on first glance at this, think I've gone completely insane, but I haven't, believe me. This is, in case you don't recognise it, a two-piece, or it's one piece, but it makes two French sticks. That's why it's got the little holes all over it. It is a French stick pan. Now these are easily available quite cheaply these days, even though they used to be very expensive and used to be able to only get them from professional bakery suppliers. Nowadays you can get them on Amazon, you can get them on AliExpress probably, I can get them in the local Chinese shops, cheap. So we're talking probably about, I don't know, 8-10 euros, something like that, whatever. And what I've done, and it's not easy to do it single-handed, so if you're going to do this, I suggest you get someone to give you a hand. I have put a layer of cheap vinyl over the top of it. No, this is not going to go in my oven. So I literally started off at one end, managed to get it in shape pretty much, and I've left a bit of a overlap on all directions. So what I'm going to do is get a pair of scissors, and I'm going to snip around the edges so that I can fold this back and literally do a proper cover of this. Now, I've not used my best quality vinyl for this. This is just a cheapo vinyl. It's just for covering purposes. I'm going to give a bit of a snip across that side and the other corners. So, okay, I got it covered. That's it. Taking me about 5 minutes. Now you might be thinking, what on earth are you going to use this for? Ta-da! Vinyl roll holder for your cutting machine. This is a roll of vinyl. It can sit in any one of these and it will hold your vinyl. It costs next to nothing to make. If you decide you don't want to use it eventually, you can take the vinyl off, clean it up and use it for baking. Cheap, cheerful vinyl holder. You can cover it with whatever you like. The reason I suggest covering it is because of the holes. You don't want anything which is possibly going to damage your more sensitive vinyls. This makes it completely user-friendly. Put it on a silicone mat if you want to, if you really want to, but they're quite heavy, so I don't see as they should move around, but if you put a silicone mat underneath, it certainly won't. And you can use it either in front or behind your machine, whichever it is that you want to do. Job done. If you've liked this video, if you want to see more hints, tips, cutting machine, files and all the rest of it, subscribe to my YouTube channels. I have two, Createinspain and Siser Juliet Beginners to Pro, with Facebook pages of the same names. Thanks for watching. Bye.